you don't know, it's a girl, Rosh Wavy, and I know you guys miss me and I miss you guys so much, but luckily I'm back and your girl got the juice, the sauce, the everything for salon. Alright, for the persons who are new to this channel, my name is Rochelle and you know, call myself Rosh Wavy. I do lifestyle videos, I do hair tutorials, I just do a little bit of everything and I just have fun on my channel, and I want you guys to share those experiences with me. And I'm from the Caribbean, so I go on, you don't know your girl is Jamaican, yeah. And if you're not subscribe, the girl come back and she not leave, so subscribe right now. Before I get into this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the persons who stood by me when I was absent from YouTube, for all of the persons who reached out to me and asked me like, hey Rosh Wavy, what's going on, you're not doing a video, what's going on, you know. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm gonna be doing a video as to why I was not doing YouTube. So because I'm gonna do a lot of talking, I have my burn off ice here. This is my favorite one. Wow, drop the cock. This is my favorite one, the black and red one. I don't know how to pronounce this word. I'm not even gonna try and embarrass myself today, but this is my favorite Smirnoff ice. So we're gonna sip and talk today. And guys, don't come for me for my fingernails. One of them break off. I purposely bit this one off, so don't mind it. I wasn't on YouTube for some time, and I know that a lot of persons were wondering why I wasn't on YouTube, where I was, what really happened, and I'm just here to clear the air and tell you guys what it's really about. So I wasn't on YouTube for a period of time. At first it started off because I was going to college and I really didn't have the time to do YouTube. As the time progressed, I started working. So I got a full-time job and I was still in school at the time, or I'm still in school and I'm still working full-time for both of them. So it was a bit hectic for me to actually have the time to say, alright, when I come in this afternoon or this morning or this, you know, tonight, I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna do a video and XYZ. It was really, really hard because I had to prioritize. So that was the first part of it. That was basically what I was saying at first. I didn't have any time, I was really busy, and so that is why I had YouTube on a pause. It wasn't like I forgot about it, I just had it on a pause. Then I realized that I adapted into the work environment, I adapted into school, I was working both of them, everything was going great, and I started becoming a bit more flexible, so I had more time on my hand, and I was saying, alright, great, I can get back into my YouTube. And when the time came, I think this is a thing that a lot of YouTubers don't talk about, or I don't know if they're afraid to share it with you guys, but there comes a point where motivation is just gone. Like you feel as though you are demotivated, you don't want to get up and do this, and basically it's a thing where it's an internal thing where you bring yourself down. It got to a point where I was almost depressed over YouTube because I started watching other YouTubers, and in a time where I did not have time to do YouTube, I was watching other YouTubers doing their videos and I was saying, wow, this look good, that look good, why can't I be like that, why can't I edit like that, why my videos are not looking like this. You know, I started questioning myself, questioning my content, questioning everything that I did, and I was just comparing myself with other persons, right? And guys, it became detrimental. That probably was the worst thing I could have ever done to myself because it really takes a toll on you. I felt like I wanted to give up, like I didn't want to do any more videos. Like I felt like at this point, what purpose was I serving? Because other YouTubers were popping out every minute, they were creating bomb content and they were looking awesome. I love the content, and I was just like, why can't I do that? Why am I not motivated? Why am I not in the same bubble? And you know, I was just like in self-doubt, self-pity, everything. So after a few weeks of doing that, I don't know what happened to me one day, but I got up and I just said to myself that, listen, I cannot compare myself to anybody else because nobody else on the internet is called Rosh Wavy. There's nobody else out there like me. And my content is my content. I'm doing what I love, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing. Who likes it, who doesn't like it, just don't like it. And I kept telling myself that, and I kept telling myself that, you know what, Rochelle, all you needed to do was start. You have so many persons on your channel, they're supporting you, have persons reaching out to you. You're the one making excuses, you're the one not taking advantage of the opportunities. So I had to really give myself the talk, and when I did, I was just like, you know what? If I could find time to sit down and watch other YouTubers, then I can find time to make a video. So here I am. Here I am, guys. I just said that to myself. I was like, if I can sit down for 2 hours straight and watch YouTubers, then I can make a video within 2 hours. I can make a video in an hour and try and edit it within an hour, or I can edit it over a few days. So you have to choose a struggle. I had to really get deep in myself and like you know, be honest and really be harsh, because at the end of the day you have to realize that you're doing this because it's something that I love. I'm literally going to school for media, and I felt like YouTube would have just added to that, because I mean, like, I want to be in the media world, I want to be known, I want to be out there, I want everybody to hear about Rosh Wavy. I'm not even gonna lie, I love it, I love it, I love it, I enjoy it all the time. It just brings me joy to just be able to interact with persons all over the world, to just influence other persons. That's really what I want, and to know that I have such talent and I'm sitting down on it and I'm not taking advantage of it. Girl, I was stupid. I had to just get up and get back in it, and I had to say, no, that is not you. You're going to walk in your purpose, you're going to do what you have to do, and you're going to get the message out there. And so I'm going to just pick myself up and say, you girl, go on. Yeah, so that's what I did, guys, and I'm so happy. Now I'm back. I have a lot of content for you guys. I have a lot of vlogs. I love doing the vlogs for you. I have a lot of vlogs coming. I'm traveling, I'm enjoying myself, and I'm definitely gonna share those experiences with you guys. No worries about that. That's the real reason why I was not on YouTube. And the truth is, guys, I think a lot of YouTubers do this. I just don't think they admit it, or I don't know if it's something that they don't vocalize publicly. But I do know it's something that happens. I know I'm not the only person who went through this. It's like a moment of drought where you just keep doubting yourself. And during that time, even so, you know, I created content, I just didn't put it out there. Each time I edited it, I said to myself, this don't look good. I want it to look like this. Why did his own look like that? Why did her own look like that? Why is mine looking like this? And I just have to say, your growth is gonna come, but all you need to do is start. You're not gonna be perfect at the first part. When you start off, you're not gonna be perfect. I think a lot of us need to really take a look at this, and it's not just for YouTubers. I mean, in general, you have to stop being hard on yourself. You can't compare yourself to somebody else who is doing something for far longer than you have, or who has more experience than you have. Matter of fact, you just can't compare yourself to nobody at all, period, point blank, because guess what? They're not you. You are you. The talent that you have, nobody else has it. The way that you can do something, nobody else can do it that way. You just have to look at it like that. And I just hope, I don't know, I just hope like this helps somebody, or I don't know, but I had to just get it out there. And for the YouTubers who are coming up, there's gonna be a moment of growth. I'm not telling you that it has to happen, but if it does, just remember that I went through it. You can get through it as well, and you're gonna be great. You're gonna be awesome. Don't be hard on yourself. Take as much time as you need to cope. Do not come on social media and front about it. Like, don't pretend as if everything is okay when everything is not okay. That's one thing with me. I couldn't come on the internet and pretend as though everything was okay with me, when at the time I knew that I wasn't okay. I wasn't in a headspace to say that I can do this video, or I want to do a video, or anything like that. You know, I don't want to be a momentarily YouTuber. I don't want to be like a feelings YouTuber or whatever, but it's best to be genuine when you're doing your videos. It doesn't make sense to just get up and do a video just because you know that you have to do a video today, or you post videos every Tuesday or Thursday or whatever the case may be. You have to be original. You have to be real about it. And guys, what I want you to understand is that YouTube is more than just getting up and doing a video. It doesn't work like that. YouTube takes a lot. You have to create the content. You have to think about the content that you're going to put out there. You have to think about your production. You're going to have to think about what you're going to say, what you're going to do. you have to think about a lot of things. There's a whole lot of things behind actually just getting up and doing a video. It's a lot behind it. And then even after doing such video, you're gonna have to go ahead and edit. And guys, editing takes a while. It takes a minute. I'm not even gonna lie. But guys, let me tell you how strong the devil be. You see, when I was preparing to do this video, I started doubting myself again. I was like, Rochelle, are you sure you want to do a video like this? What if nobody's gonna watch it? What if this? What if that? What if, you know? And I just like, I said, you know what? Pause. I just started pausing and I started thinking about, well, what if people like this video? What if people see this video and they say, oh my god, I like this girl? What if people see this video and they subscribe? What if people see this video, they come in my inbox and they say, hey, can you do a promo for me? But just erase the negative thoughts with the positive ones. You can't hold me down. You can't hold me down. That is why I was not on YouTube for a few months. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I really appreciate it. And what you guys can expect from me is just some bomb ass content coming out. So please keep looking, keep watching, and I'll keep you updated and I'll share everything with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Rosh Wavy. Go and pick up yourself and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.